Hey everyone, this is Pierre from PPWND Pressure Washing. I just want to thank you for tuning in and watching the video. What you're watching is actually our first free giveaway pressure cleaning job or giveaway. Anyways, before I go, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video and try to stay with us while we continue to give these free pressure washing giveaways. Right now I'm actually setting up my equipment to pressure wash this driveway and this sidewalk. This is a guy named Captain Chris Hill that I've known for a while, and I've been meaning to get it done for over a year. But he still was a kind person, and when I called him, he was like, "Yeah, come on, let's do it." He runs a radio show at his home. Currently, what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to get all the debris out of the way, so it'll be easier for me to pressure wash this driveway. It's just a lot easier and safer that you don't have rocks or any type of debris under the surface cleaner. Right now I'm noticing that I got the wrong fittings on my surface cleaner, so I'm putting things together to try to get it done. So I had to use like 2 female pieces to on the side right there. That's actually the before, and the driveway comes out decent. But you have to see the before to appreciate the after. There's some hard stains that just wouldn't come out and gave me a difficult time, so I had to try it. I had to do this several times actually, but right now there was a leak, so I'm putting some plumber's tape and then putting back the makeshift connector that I use. Right now I'm going side to side and doing circles as well and trying to get the bulk of the dirt from the driveway. However, it becomes a nuisance, and I really have to use chemicals to get some of that black marks that you see on the driveway there. So what I do, I try to pressure wash or use a surface cleaner but so long until all the dirt, it gets so much dirt build up that you have to rinse it so you can see your work, so you can give the best job you can. So right now I do believe okay, so I just looked at my pressure washer, make sure it was okay, and then I came back and I might have got the wand at this point, and I'm pressure washing the inside. I don't have a camera person, so no one could tell. I actually have this on a ladder, just planted on the ladder and recording. So I'm trying to get like the edges and the sidewalk. That's what I was doing to the right there. I was using the sidewalk. Now I'm using my wand to kind of edge the corner, the sides of the driveway, and then I use it to, you know, push up debris. The owner came back. That was Captain Chris Hill. He came out and just talked to me and telling me thank you for doing it. So now I'm using my surface cleaner on the driveway. I'm going back and forth and trying to really get the bulk of the algae and the grime that's on the sidewalk, so I don't have to use so much chemicals. But I end up having to use it because I'm so particular about stains. I don't like to leave stains on the driveway because what's the purpose, right? Your whole, unless they're like rust stains and stuff like that, I charge more for rust stains. Right there I was just dumping out the excess stuff, so I'm just reading on the label to make sure that I can kind of mix these two together. I'll on another show, on another episode, I'll talk more about the chemicals. But what I did there is, because I've seen so much stains, I went ahead and placed my mix down so that it can brighten up the actual concrete. So this was a concrete solution with SH solution as well. Um, it did okay, but I had to do it again. When you have a driveway this dirty, sometimes you have to just. I think I had stopped and restarted there, but so what I did is I sprayed it, and I seen that it was working while I sprayed it, so I went ahead and pressure washed it to kind of really tell how well that chemical was working, and then so this is me rinsing off the chemical that I laid down, and I eventually made a stronger batch because it just wasn't cutting. So I made a stronger batch, and it really did the job. It really removed the black stains on the concrete. Um, I use this. I think it's a Cobalt automatic pump sprayer, and I love it. My brother gave it to me. Well, I guess he let me. Well, no, I paid for it. He sold it to me with a bundle of stuff that I bought from him, and this thing has just saved my life tremendously. So, if you're into this type of work, automatic pump sprayer works. Battery operated. Oh my God, saves times. Your back will hate you because it's 4 gallons on your back, but at the same time, it really saves time. And if you really look at the concrete from where the camera is now, oh, here's a before after. The before after really doesn't do it justice because he's actually giving me a promo right there. Well, let's listen.
Down pat, ladies and gentlemen. If you need somebody to do pressure washing, call my buddy Pierre at PPWND.com. 407-900-77. Is that a 993? That's 407-900-7793. Pressure washing, exterior cleaning. He hooked me up. We're going to hook him up. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching for my first giveaway. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and follow. Thank you.